Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're someone new here, hi, my name is Vidisha and I most of the time post content related to makeup and new makeup, buying stuff, reviewing them. Yeah, so most of my content is related to makeup. So with so much going around, I hope you all guys are safe, your loved ones are safe. All I want to say is that you're taking care of yourself and your loved ones, hoping that this will end, but no, it's taking time. We got to live our lives in this pandemic. Take care of yourself whenever you go out. Just double mask yourself, and yeah, all those other things, sanitizing and all. So for this video I thought of doing something colorful, very bright kind of makeup look. So first of all, I'm going to apply some sunscreen, which is very must even if you're indoors. And I came across this sunscreen. This is the Sunroof Lotion, UVA UVB sun protection. This is for rupees 225, and I bought the sunscreen from a medical store. So if you're someone looking for a sunscreen, you can go for this. This has SPF 50, and so it is a 60 ml of product. Check if your medical store has this sunscreen, because this is very inexpensive. It's just for rupees 225. Even I saw the LA Shield new sunscreen, which is just for rupees 250. So I have already one LA Shield sunscreen, so I didn't buy that one and I went for this one, because obviously the LA one is slightly greasy and it does have a white cast. So this as well have a white cast, as you can see. So I'll just show you that how this sunscreen is going to how the sunscreen looks on one side of my face. So as you can see that this has very minimal white cast. This side of my face has no sunscreen on, and look at this side. So it blended very well, and it does not have a very heavy white cast, as you can see. It's very not very thick. Okay, this is not at all very thick, and obviously you have to keep blending it. I guess most of the sunscreen takes a lot of time to get completely rid of the white cast. So after like 2 to 3 minutes, I go ahead with a primer. If you're going out, apply a primer, but like we are in a lockdown situation, like my state do not have a lockdown, but yeah, we don't have to go out. So if you're just at home and you just want to click pictures and stuff, and you don't want to layer your skin with so much of makeup product, that's okay. You don't have to apply so much of product. I'm just going to apply this this primer. This is a Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Primer. I'm going to apply this because I want to test this primer, how it helps and how long it helps to sustain the foundation, and that's why for the experiment purpose I'm going to apply this primer. To apply, this area of my face has a lot of open pores, and obviously it sweats a lot, it gets oily, and I'm just going to spread it all over my face. So next, for my foundation, I'm going to use this ELF Satin Finish foundation. This is 300 Sand. It has neutral undertones, and okay, now this is a one shade lighter to my skin tone. I'm going to use my Imagic Beauty blender. So as you can see, it's light for my skin, and during summers my skin do tend to get darker, it gets tanned. With the clean side of the sponge, I am just going to dab the foundation in. So my under eye circles tend to look grayish when I apply a lighter foundation. So I do have the color corrector by Nykaa, but it is not so much effective in just hiding out my dark circles. So what I'm going to do is take a darker concealer. I use this every time when I was not aware of the color corrector. So I used to buy a darker concealer which is like which exactly matches my skin tone, or even like which matches my skin dark circles. From PAC, Body Suit is the shade name, and I'm just going to see, this is kind of dark, and I'm going to take the PAC 272 brush, and you don't have to apply layers and layers of concealer all over your face if your foundation pretty much does the job of hiding your uh, pigmented area. I'm going to take this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade 130 medium Moyan, and I'm just going to apply this all over my eyelid. Now I'm going to set my foundation I'm going to lock my foundation by applying this K Beauty loose powder. So I go with a tinted loose powder, but one shade lighter than my skin tone, because like I have like loose powders, like the Maybelline one exactly matches my skin tone, and this one is one shade lighter. Most of the times I don't set my under eyes because they tend to get dried up very easily, and I have crease lines under my eyes, and which the concealer set into the crease lines and it doesn't look very good, so I don't generally set my face. So I'm going to take this palette. This is the You Can Be Changeable Fantasy palette, and this is a dupe. This is like a dupe for the James Charles mini palette and some. So here there is a very light Barbie pink color shade. If you can see the color in the brush, this is the La Cara E006 brush, all on the above of my crease. I'm just going to apply this, and I'm looking straight into my mirror. So yes, my eyebrows are not done. I haven't went to the parlor to do my eyebrows, and I'm very afraid that if I'll try experimenting my eyebrows at home, I'll mess it up and I will make it even worse. They are just going to have this messy eyebrows. Like, it's not always be like, everything should be perfect. Now I have accepted this, that it's okay to have hairs on my hands and legs. Next I'm going to apply this shade and inner corner. I'm going to take this brush and just blend with a very light hand. I'll deepen up this crease with that color, so I can give a transition effect to the previously applied color. So I am just going to clean up this area using concealer. Nicely. Now I'm just going to highlight my inner eye corner with this this shade right here, and from the Changeable Fantasy palette, and apply, because the yellow color which I applied didn't stay that long, so the yellow color which is available in this palette is not at all pigmented. I'm applying a blush. This is from K Beauty. This is the shade Sweet Salmon. Yes, Sweet Salmon. I'm just going to take a highlighter. This is from Wet n Wild. This is all broken, but it's such a good highlighter. And then I mix on my lips, I mix this two lipsticks. This is the Rule of Life by NYP, and this one is Red Carpet Dream. And then I achieved this shade. So yeah, that's my completed look, and I hope you liked it. And I'll be describing and links of all the products will be in the description bar. And if you like this video, do click a thumbs up and do share with your family, friends, and if you relate with the channel, do subscribe, and it will help me a lot. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Do comment your suggestion, comment section, so I get to know what type of video you want to watch. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.